Father, if you are here, then who was that?
I do not understand. Who are you talking about?
He. Something is fishy. I just met you. Father, you will have to ask the guards to check the palace right now. I just saw a person who looked exactly like you.
Forgive me, Your Majesty. I apologize to you for Princess's prank. You see, actually, she was joking. You are too much, Princess.
Wonderful. Wonderful. For a moment I thought that was actually a lookalike of mine in the palace. And he's roaming around.
Yes.
What happened to your clothes?
What is wrong? They are fine.
No.
Your Majesty, the princess is going to be the queen very soon, right? So she wants to meet the common people of Baghdad dressed up as a commoner herself. That's why she is in this dress.
Yes, I expected that from you. I have made the right decision for Baghdad by declaring you the queen.
What happened to your deal? We have to pay the debts. We don't have any money to buy groceries as well.
Mom, the deal did not happen. That's why I did not get any money.
But why?
Mom, the one who was supposed to deal with me, wanted to get me to do illegal work. That's why I refused his offer.
You did the right thing. I always pray to the Lord that no matter what, your honesty should never be compromised in front of anybody. The money which is earned through illegal means is totally jinxed. And after all, we are from the family of Ibn Battuta. You have made your mother proud. Those who sell their conscience for work, they become like that worthless black thief. I cannot imagine how embarrassed his mother must be. If I were his mother...
Mom, let it go now. You wanted the groceries, right? I'm going to arrange for some money. By tomorrow evening, you'll get the groceries. So you will not face any troubles now.
My son really loves me. But we have to return the money to the debtors. We will have to do something about it. You eat. Dear, take this.
Somehow, I will have to get the money from Uncle. But the main obstacle is Aunt. I haven't been to the shop in all these days. She is not going to let me take the money easily.
The feather of the golden pheasant? My brother Aladdin, where did you find this precious feather?
I got this from the hunter's house, who about 100 years ago hunted a golden pheasant. The pheasants were extinct already, but this was the last feather of the golden pheasant.
Father? Yes. What if this feather of this golden pheasant is completely fake? Check again. Or else mother will also teach you a good lesson. Father!
Whenever you open your mouth, you talk nonsense. Quiet!
So tell me, uncle, would you like to add this precious feather to your collection?
No, Aladdin. No. I will not fall for you this time. You sell useless things calling them valuable.
Uncle, this time it's truly an item of value. Uncle, I did not tell you the real secret behind it. This feather helps attract all the women towards the bearer. Think about it, uncle. You will be surrounded by beauties.
Father, what happened?
Nothing at all. Nothing happened. Nothing.
Uncle, wear white the next time you dream. It suits you better.
Wonderful. How did you know what I saw in my dream?
Because I know very well how to fool you.
Well done.
Father!
What did you say?
I mean, what I meant to say to you is that it's gonna be a fool who will reject this beautiful feather.
Aladdin, tell much how much this costs.
Come on, uncle. I won't charge you more than 10 gold coins.
All right. If you insist, I'll buy this feather for 4 gold coins. Take this.
I swear on gold coins. Let alone 4 gold coins, I would not pay a dime for this useless looking feather.
I do not have a better pawn than the archer in order to get rid of the king of Baghdad. And he will have to abduct the king as well.
That will happen, my lord. That archer will not miss his aim this time. As per your plan, the archer must have entered the palace through the secret tunnel by now. My lord, as per your orders, our men have been appointed as guards in the palace.
And they will take the archer to the emperor's chamber. And what do we do about the guards posted outside the king's chamber?
I sent them away yesterday itself, my lord. Now our men have been posted outside the king's chamber too.
This means that our pawn will not face too much trouble in getting into the emperor's chamber. Once I capture the emperor, I shall make this look-alike of the emperor sit on the throne of Baghdad. Emperor Shah Nawaz.
Useless? No. This is no ordinary feather, aunt.
Dear, I'm no ordinary aunt either. My name is Nazneen. You may fool an idiot with this feather of an owl, but you cannot fool me.
My brother Aladdin! My mother only looks like a fool, but she's not. Right, mother?
Well, alright then. If you do not accept the deal, I will take it to someone else.
Yes, go on. You'll get 40 gold coins instead of 4.
I needed some money. You can deduct it from my salary.
Sure, my child. You will get paid only if you come to work. You have not come to the shop since a month, work for 1 whole month at the shop without any pay. And Then I will think about paying you something.
Please forgive me, Aunt. But I have a household to run. If you cannot pay me, then I'll have to look for another job.
Yes, yes. Go ahead. Let me see who hires a thief after all. And not an ordinary thief. The Black Thief. There's a reward of 50,000 gold coins on him.
50,000!
You want to leave, right? We will send you off, but not in an ordinary fashion. We will send you off in such a way that even the mother of the Black Thief will know how cunning a criminal her son is.
Those who earn money from illegal means, they become like that worthless black thief. I can't even imagine how embarrassed her mother must be. If I were his mother, I would have...
My brother Aladdin.
Black thief!
Piddihan, telling the truth, I saw fathers look alike in the palace.
Princess, you are not at all conscious yet. You just have this juice. It is medicated. Drink it. As it is, you are worrying needlessly. And you just go to sleep. Or you will fall very sick. And if you fall sick, then I will fall sick. And if I fall sick, then His Majesty will have to look after you. And if he looks after you, then who will look after Baghdad? Then Baghdad will be ruined. So if you wish that Baghdad should do well, then please go to sleep.
No, Piddi. I must go to father right now.
Papa, Princess?
It is the king's command to arrest traitors like you immediately.
No! Rukhsar!
Officer Akbar, it is now time to make the real move in chess. Take Jumman to the Emperor's chamber.
Yes, my lord. Please come, sir.
Father must be in his chamber right now.
I swear on gold coins, someone has rightly said that a donkey can carry weight but cannot wash clothes. Wring them properly.
Yes.
Or I will wring you properly.
Okay.
Aunt,
What's the matter? Your attitude seems quite changed now.
Today the criminal has surrendered to the witch. To the lady.
Go now and get to work. And don't even take a single day off.
Aunt, the thing is that I came here to inform that I'm not gonna work for you anymore.
What did you say? What did you say? Could you be a bit more loud?
I'm here to inform you that I do not want to work for you and you may do whatever you want, but I'm not scared of your threats.
Really? Let me bring you to your senses. Rukhsar! Rukhsar!
Mom! Mom! What happened, Aunt? Why did you stop? Please continue. Mom! First, by taking advantage of my helplessness, you made me steal, so that you could fill your pockets. Then by taking advantage of my fear, you made me the black thief. But I'm done now. Now, whether you threaten to tell my mom or inform the police officer, I don't care. I'm not gonna change.
Well done. What did you say?
I swear on gold coins, you are acting too smart with me now. When the police will arrest you and thrash you properly, then you will come to your senses, Aladdin.
Alright, then call them. I will tell them that I did commit thefts, but you two were the ones who sold the stolen goods. I will be beaten up very bad, but you two also aren't gonna be spared. I'm sure about that.
What do you think? They will believe you?
So what if they don't believe me? The reward money is gonna be over someday. But I am the one who can get you gold coins, all the wealth in this world, all my life. Think about it. Do you want to kill the hen that lays golden eggs or keep it safely for the rest of your lives? I may even agree to work for you, but I'm gonna need the money first.
Aladdin does not know who he is messing up with. Now I will make a move, after which Aladdin will be stunned.
King Shahnawaz, it is time you pay for all your atrocities. You did not value my loyalty. You got me thrown out of Baghdad. You took my Rukhsar away from me for all time. You have ruined my life. You will be punished for it.
Father? 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 Father, where are you? Father? 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 Father is usually in his chamber. Where could he be? Father? Father! Father never leaves his book open. Father, whoever is behind that curtain, come out.